Hey everybody, it's Jim T with Key, the realtor from BG, coming to you live from the White House in Bowling Green, Ohio. In today's market activity report, we are covering Wood County Southwest. That's area 52, which is south of US 6 and west of State Route 25. For those of you that are not familiar with our MLS system, that's everything down this way in Wood County. So it includes things like Signet, Cherry City, West Millgrove, Wayne, Bradner, Bairdstown, Bloomdale, and Signet. So let's take a look and see how this market's performing. As of November 2020, we're starting to see some new listings. Thank you, Southwest Wood County. Hallelujah. We're starting to move in the right direction. For the most part, the rest of the market has not been. We have been sitting on a traditionally low inventory level right now. So Wood County Southwest is one of the only counties in Wood County right now, or one of the only areas in Wood County, that is actually showing an increase of inventory for homes for sale, which is fantastic. Because even with the increase in inventory, we're also still seeing an increase in average sale price. Let's see if this trend carries through to the year, which it does. So if we look at January through the end of November at 19 and January through the end of November at 20, we're seeing some additional listings. It's a modest increase, 3 more than we had the year before. But we're also seeing more houses that were listed that have sold and closed by quite a bit. Days on market are going down, and average sale price is going up by 2.2%. Average price received versus list is also gone up, so that means we are in a very competitive market. If you are a seller, it's never been a better time to be a seller, because I can get you the absolute most for your home today. And if you're a buyer, please don't despair, because as a buyer right now, because of how low interest rates are, it is now more affordable for you to be a buyer this year than it has years past. So let's take a look at some things in terms of the median sale price over the past 10 years. And if you were a buyer in this area, let's say all-time low was 2011, and around $50,000 was the median sale price. And we flash forward about 10 years to 2020. Now we're sitting at almost 110,000, I'd say, on average. So all-time low is about 50 versus 110. You would have doubled your money in less than 10 years had you bought back in 2011. The moral of this story is it's always, when's a good time to buy real estate? Right now, because for the most part, real estate does nothing but appreciate in value. It's typical to see ups and downs in real estate markets and corrections and whatnot. Now, this is an oversimplification because it includes everything that is sold. It's not simply like properties. So if something sold in 100,000 one year and 300,000 the next year and 200,000 the year prior, it looks like nothing's changed, so to speak, when in fact it has. But what we're looking at here is overall a very healthy market, a very healthy way to invest your money, especially considering most of us have to live somewhere, and it might as well be in your own home. So if you have any specific questions about your specific market, please feel free to give me a call. If you're a seller and you're not happy with your current home, you need to upsize, you need to downsize, you want to move somewhere warmer, that's great. Jim T can help. In fact, houses that are sold by agent typically sell for about 12% more than houses that are sold by owner. So for all of us frugal-minded people that think we're going to save all this money by not hiring an agent, you haven't saved yourself anything. In fact, you've cost yourself probably quite a big chunk of change. Please don't make that mistake. Please hire a professional. Whether it's me or anybody else, hire a professional so we can get you the most for your home. And then as a buyer, also, please don't make that mistake, because as a buyer, I have connections that you don't. My lenders, my resources are available to you as your buyer's agent, which means for you, you're going to save thousands of dollars, and buyer's agency doesn't cost you a thing. All the commissions are paid for as part of the sales commission, and that's included in the house. The seller's agent and the buyer's agent split the fees. So as a buyer's agent, you don't pay a thing, but you benefit from my experience, you benefit from my resources, you benefit from my overall knowledge, and I make sure that my clients get the best deal possible every time. So if you have any questions, feel free to get a hold of me. If you've liked the content of this video and want to make sure that you don't miss any future ones, I encourage you to please hit the like and subscribe button. That way any new videos come your direction. It has been an absolute pleasure joining you today. This has been Jim T. with Key the Realtor from BG, signing off from the White House in Bowling Green. I hope you all have a great holiday season this year, and let's make 2021 the best year yet. Thank you.